animals are supposed to live like human beings.
We are here with Esther, and we have a few questions for Esther regarding herself and Village Lounge. Hi Esther, which school do you go to?
St. Michael Junior Secondary School.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
Oh, okay. Can I ask you a question? Are you vegan?
Yes, I'm vegan.
Wow, okay. How long have you been vegan?
Like 8 years old.
8 years? Since you were 8 years old?
Yeah.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
So basically, can I ask you, Esther, what's your favorite food here at Village Lounge?
Rice and beans.
Rice and beans, okay. And you know that this is a vegan restaurant?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, what do you think about that?
The vegan restaurant is good.
It's good,
And
okay.
it is good because people, they can't take meat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I ask you, why are you vegan yourself?
Because I dislike eating meat.
Okay.
Yes, because animals are supposed to live like human beings.
Okay. How do you mean now by live by like human beings? Can you explain first?
They have the right to live.
Yeah.
But not to be killed.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much, Esther.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.